Hello. Today we're gonna make an unboxing video. I bought this. Well, I also bought this Soviet era flag post tip, which is cool. Paid $5 for this. And also we bought this tool, plain micrometer caliper, made in USSR in the 60s, I believe, with original packaging. I don't believe it's been opened. It's just rough. It's a little wet. Also, I hope this tool itself is not rusted or anything, because I actually need this tool to measure some stuff. So let's have a look what we have here inside. Oh, it's in plastic as well. Nice. Oh, it's actually sealed. Oh no, it's not. Okay, box looks nice. It's in millimeters, 50 to 75 millimeters. I don't know, in inches it's maybe 3 inches maximum, I don't know. So let's take a look in the box. Okay, there's some papers. Caliper. What do we have here? Oh, 1971. It's from 71. That's nice. Somebody has made a signature here. I don't know, maybe the factory boss or something. Release certificate. Test results. It's weird, it's in English, it's for export. I don't know where they exported these things. Some weird packaging. It's not plastic and it's not paper. I don't know what it is. It's like covered with oil, which is good. Oh, it's actually nice. Oh, there's another year, 71. Precision is 0.01 millimeters. So I need to measure the crankshaft bearings for the charger build, so I can order some bearings. So that's why I bought this thing. I'm happy with this quality. It's like, feels like a Raptor liner or something, covered with a Raptor liner type paint. Okay, I can throw this away. What do we have here? Another measuring stick. And what's that? Oh, feels like some gravel inside. Maybe it collects moisture or something like that. I don't know. So that's nice. Which way it was, I don't know. No, this way, yeah. It has to be turned all the way in. All right, cool. I love this old original package stuff. By the way, this I paid 25 euros for this, which is about 20 bucks, $20. So not a bad deal. It was basically a swap meet type area. So okay. Have a nice day.